my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and my new look, I will be sharing a wig review today. But before we jump any further, if you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. As I mentioned, today we will be reviewing this hair, and it is from MyShinyWigs. They sent over their 5x6 super glueless, seamless lace closure wig, and the best part about this wig is that you do not need any glue, any spray, adhesives, or any skills, to be honest. And if you guys do find yourself being interested in this wig, go ahead and use my code KEY25 for 25% off of your order. So let's just jump on into this video now, shall we?
Now let's get into the packaging. First of all, do you guys see that quote? You are beautiful, you are special. It's the little details for me. I love that. As you can see, the hair is completely protected. It came in a wig bag along with a duster bag and a wig cap. Now let's get into the specs. This is their style Rapunzel. It is in 18 inches. This is 100% virgin human hair. As you can see, it has a beautiful shine to it. It's very bouncy and very light. Now let's get into this closure. It is a 5x6 seamless lace, and as you can see, it does provide a big lace area so you can do side parts. The knots are bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. Now, the construction of this wig cap is very impressive in my opinion. It does come with 4 combs inside, so if you look closely at the arrows, you will see them, along with the adjustable strap and glueless band. So this really ensures that your wig will not move. Now let's get into the styling of this wig. For the first time, I decided to use this tinted spray in medium brown, and I was not disappointed. I went ahead and did about 2 layers of this. And again, I'm just pointing out where all the combs are located. And now I'm just taking my flat iron and just giving it a few passes so it can be very sleek and straight.
I'm back. I just cut the lace off of this wig, and what do you guys think? Because I'm very impressed right now. I used no adhesive whatsoever, and this is like pretty flat. Like, okay, my shiny hair, you guys did your thing. And as I cut the lace, I did go ahead and cut some baby hairs. Probably see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay those down. And then as my final step, I'm going to take my hot comb along with this hair wax stick and then just lay down any of these flyaways sticking up. And I think the look should be complete after that.
As mentioned, I will just be styling my baby hairs and slicking down any flyaways. I do want to mention that this wig felt very snug. It does indeed fit like a glove, and what I love about it is that you can choose your cap size on their website, varying from small, medium, and large. Again, I will put all the specs of the wig that I received in the description box down below, along with the direct link and my coupon code, which is KEY25 for 25% off of your order. So if you guys are interested in this gorgeous wig, don't forget to click that link down below.
Alrighty, my loves, this is the final look, which means it is now time for my final thoughts. I personally think this wig is just so perfect for an everyday grab it and go kind of thing. It's sleek and it's simple, and because it's 100% human hair, I like that you can style it in many ways. If I wanted to, I can add layers to this wig. I can dye this wig. I can apply heat, as you guys saw, so I can add some like wand curls. I think there's just so many possibilities when it comes to styling this wig, which I really like. Also, really enjoy how simple this wig is for a beginner such as myself. The hairline came pre-plucked and the knots were bleached, which was a huge relief for me. So I really like that. I think this would be a great starter wig. And I like how flat it lays and how secure it is due to all the combs and the glueless band. I just feel like this wig is really secure. I also want to state that there was like no shedding at all when I styled this wig. And the hair is so soft, I cannot help but to run my fingers through it. So I do really like the texture. It is definitely a straight and sleeky wig. So for example, when you're wearing lip gloss, you may have some strands that you just gotta, flip to the side, but nothing too major. Like I said, since the knots did come bleached, I really like how seamless it made the tinted spray with my, actual skin. Like, I think it looks really, really good. Again, I cannot believe this is a glueless unit. Overall, I'm super impressed by it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing your own wig from MyShinyWigs, don't forget to use my coupon code KEY25 for 25% off of your order. So that is it. That is all. Stay blessed. I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.